My well wishes to all the students, and my name is Dr. Taranjit Singh Vij, and I am working as Associate Professor in Management at RIMT University Mandi, Gobindgarh, Punjab. So today we will discuss a topic that is emerging trends in modern marketing. So as we say the word marketing, so in our mind many things come. So we will start with the definition of what is marketing. So you all know that the famous Sir Philip Kotler, who is also known as the father of the modern marketing, he has given the definition of marketing, that is, marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. So this is the definition given by Sir Philip Kotler. So now there are many emerging trends which are upcoming in marketing. So you must have heard the names like green marketing, social marketing, digital marketing. So all these are the recent trends which are upcoming in the marketing. So in today's lecture we will just go through the green marketing and social marketing. So we will do the two things in this. So first of all, I will start with the green marketing. Green marketing is the marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. It incorporates a broad range of activities including product modification, changes to the production process, sustainable packaging as well as modifying advertising. So this is the intro and basics to green marketing, as we come to know that how this started and how the companies they start thinking about the green marketing, how they are looking toward the sustainable growth and in their products also, and on the other hand on their services also. So there are two factors in this: goods and services. Goods are physical type of things which we can hold. For example, laptop, mobile phone, these are the example of goods. On the other hand, services, if we are having a mobile phone and we are taking the services of Jio, Airtel or Vodafone Idea, so they are the service providers. Same way in laptop, the service provider is given by the K7 Total Security, for example, or any antivirus, that are software which we are just giving the services. So this is the example. So now both the companies who are making product and companies who are providing the services, they are using the green technology or green marketing. So moving further, yet defining green marketing is not a simple task where several meanings intersect and contradict each other. An example of this will be the existence of varying social, environmental and retail definitions attached to this term. Other similar terms used are environmental marketing and ecological marketing. So there are many words which are derived after this green marketing concept. In further slide, we will discuss that at what time of in the century it started, because we are studying the emerging trends. So it is the recent trends which are going on. So moving further. So this is the picture of green marketing, that now everybody is looking towards the care of the earth, that with the pandemic which hits in 2019, which we say COVID-19 also. So by this COVID-19, the people are more aware about the surroundings, they are more aware about the cleanliness. Same way companies and organizations, they also have to keep check that they are not destroying the environment and they are making the sustainable products. So starting with this, green marketing means developing environment friendly products. Green marketing came into prominence in the late 1980s and early 90s. So this is the time period in which this green marketing started. It was the late 1980s and early 90s. This requires conservation of natural resources and controlling pollution. So in this we have gone through the conservation of natural resources and controlling the pollution. So both things they want to cover under this. Some global and domestic companies are developed products that are less harmful to environment and used cycle products. So in this global and domestic companies we are talking about. So globally, which are multinational companies, and domestic, which do the business in certain region of the country. So in this I can give you example, because example always makes the concept clear. So in green marketing I can give you example of the Asian Paints. So Asian Paints, they have developed the paint which was not harmful for the kids, and it does not irritate their eyes. So that was the one product taken by the Asian Paints, and slowly and gradually other competitors and all the other players, they also started making that kind of products. So there are some more examples on this, like CFL bulb. Earlier we used the electric bulb which consumes more electricity, but with the passage of time and by taking care of nature in the concern by the organizations, they introduced CFL, which consume less electricity, and it is beneficial for eyes also and for the environment also. So these kind of innovations, same way we can take the example of white goods. White goods in India, the LG and Samsung are the companies which are producing the major white household products. So in this, what happens that they started the star rating, like how energy sufficient ACs are, refrigerators or microwave ovens are. So in this they have taken the star technology. If the 5-star technology is there, that product will consume less electricity, it will save your money. So both ways it helps, like it saves money also and it saves our environment also. So these kind of eco-friendly products come after the green marketing concept, which was developed in late 1980s and early 19th. So moving further, with green marketing, advertisers focus on the environmental benefit to sell products such as energy efficient light bulbs and environmentally paints and other products. So in this slide we just go through that examples which I have already explained you, that how the electric bulbs are replaced with CFL, and nowadays it has been replaced with the LED bulbs. On the other hand, I have also given you the example of paints, that how the paints developed by the companies which does not harm the kids and the women who are specially pregnant or who are in the special condition, like they are not well. So for that persons they need to be surroundings totally clean. So some of the companies started the initiative and all the competitors come along with that. So continuing, to be effective green marketing program requires, so there are certain things which are the requirement. First of all, top management commitment, company environment to encourage green marketing. So in this, most important part is top management, like the persons who are making the decisions. So they must be with the commitment that they have to do something for the environment and for the safety of the earth, planet earth. Then company environment to encourage green marketing. Second is rewarding employees for reducing waste. So I can give you the example from the teaching arena only. Earlier teachers used to make huge assignments like very heavy course files, which was the hard copy, and lots of pages were taken out. But with the technology and with this green concept coming into the mind and to reduce the wastage, now the e-files are there, like course file is there, but now we are maintaining it in the e mode, electronic mode. So it saves lots of papers, and even in some institutes the students are encouraged to submit the e-assignment. So they can just make a soft copy and then they can send it to their teacher. So these are the some things which in which employees are motivated that they are reducing the wastage. So that is also a good initiative. Next is developing new environment friendly products and making them available to the consumer at reasonable price. So developing new environment friendly products, which means like I can give you the example of Idea mobile phone. So they have started this initiative that if you will take only e-bill on your mail ID, then for 6 months you will get 50 rupees discount. So by these kind of small initiatives, by giving some motivation to the consumers, we can save the important things which are very much required for our earth environment. So now the companies are focusing on it.